In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose flexible dates on Google Flights. Whether you're planning a vacation, visiting family, or just exploring the world, flexibility can often help you find better deals on flights. And Google Flights is a fantastic tool that can help us do just that. So let's dive in and see how we can make it work for us. First, we'll need to navigate to Google Flights. You can do this by typing https://www.google.com/travel/flights into your web browser's address bar. This will take you directly to the Google Flights homepage, which is our starting point for finding those great travel deals. Once you're on the Google Flights homepage, you'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Signing in isn't mandatory to browse flights, but it can personalize your experience, save your searches, and even keep you logged in for easier access to Google's other services. After clicking Sign In, choose the Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one that you find most convenient for travel-related notices and confirmations. Next, you'll be prompted to type in your password for the selected Google account. Make sure to enter it correctly to proceed. Once you've entered your password, click Next. This will complete the sign-in process and you'll be brought back to the Google Flights main page as a signed-in user. Now here comes the fun part, choosing your destination. If you have a specific destination in mind, great. If not, don't worry. Google Flights offers suggestions based on popular destinations, including those that might offer better deals during flexible dates. For now, let's assume you've chosen a destination. When you do, you'll notice various flight options, including prices and airlines. After selecting a destination, it's time to choose your dates. This is where flexibility can really start to save you money. Click on the dates section and you'll see an option to select both departure and return dates. Google Flights offers a nifty feature here that allows you to browse through various dates, comparing prices as you go along. The key is to have a range of dates in mind that work for you. The more flexible you are, the better chances you have of finding a cheaper flight. As you select your dates, remember this essential tip: there's a chance the further out your flight is, the cheaper it might be. This isn't always the case, as prices can fluctuate based on demand, season, and other factors. However, it's often worth checking if your schedule allows for some date flexibility. Once you have your departure and return dates set, and you've checked out the flexible options available to you, go ahead and click Done. This will apply your date selections to the search and refresh the available flights to reflect your preferences. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy traveler, making the most out of Google Flights and its flexible date searching feature. Whether you're looking for the cheapest time to fly or trying to plan around a flexible schedule, understanding how to effectively navigate and utilize Google Flights is a valuable skill for any traveler. Remember, the key to finding great flight deals is not just about being flexible, it's also about being diligent. Prices can change frequently, so it pays to check back often and be ready to book when you find that perfect deal. With Google Flights, all the tools you need are right at your fingertips, making it easier than ever to plan your next adventure. I hope this guide helps you find the best flights for your upcoming trips. Happy travels, and thanks for watching.